Hello everyone, today our topic is benefit of eating healthy food. So, why we need to eating healthy food? Healthy food is one of the most important factors that play an important role in improving health in general. Some nutrients replacing the major role in renewing the health of the body with its various organs. Why is it important to eat healthy? Best way to live a healthy life is to eat a balanced diet to provide nutrients that your body needs to function, to give you more energy and alertness throughout the day, and to prevent future diseases and sickness like obesity, cancer. So, what food groups do we need? Is greens, vegetable, fruit, protein, and dairy.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nilam Kirana binti Harlis. For the first point of benefit of eating healthy food is control your weight. By eating healthy food, you can control and maintaining your weight. It is because healthy food contains protein, carbohydrate, fats, vitamin, and mineral in every dishes. On the other hand, it helps us lose weight immediately. In 2018, research found that a diet rich in fiber and lean protein resulted in weight loss without the need for monitoring calorie intake. Dietary fiber is particularly important for control our weight. Plant-based food contain plenty of dietary fiber, which help regulate hunger by making people feel fuller for longer. Thus, maintaining a healthful diet free from processed without monitoring calorie intake. In addition, a person can determine their calorie using guidance from Dietary American 2015. Moving forward, an eating plan that help your manage your weight include a variety of healthy food. A wise person said, "You are what you eat." So, we can gain a benefit from eating a healthy food.
Improved memory is one of the benefits of eating healthy food. A healthy diet may help to maintain cognition and brain health. Many psychologists are finding strategies to help people adapt to many memory problems, including take mental snapshots, train your brain to remember, and take advantage of technology. What is the meaning of take mental snapshots? It means good memory is actually good learning, says rehabilitation experts. Secondly, train your brain to remember. People in the early stages of memory loss can benefit from simple memory training. Research suggests that, for example, if they can't remember a person's name, they can write on a piece of paper and recall it back and again. Thirdly is take advantage of technology. Advantage of technology, example, gadgets, phones, laptops. Those gadgets can help people to remember an important dates. Besides, psychologists are finding strategies to help people adapt to many memory problems. In research 2015 shows that nutrients and foods that protect against cognitive decline. The following beneficial healthy food for improved memory are vitamin D, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Omega-3 fatty acids, eating fish, dark chocolates, and nuts and seeds. Those beneficial healthy food can improve memory. Vitamins can help to support immune, brain, and nervous system health. Omega-3 fatty acids, example eggs, can help to lower blood pressure. Eating fish can help to lower your risk of strokes. Eating dark chocolates and nuts and seeds can lower the risk of heart disease and improve brain and can help to burn calories. The foods we eat can have a big impact on the structure and health of our brains. It also helps to repair brain cells, and antioxidants reduce cellular stress. The brain is an energy-intensive organ, using around 20% of the body's calories. So it needs plenty of good fuel to maintain concentration throughout of the day. Thank you.
So the third point is reduce cancer risk. So how to reduce your cancer risk? First, eating foods that contain antioxidants can reduce a person's risk of developing cancer by protecting cells from getting damaged. Many phytochemicals found in fruits, vegetables, nuts, and act as antioxidants, including beta-carotene, lycopene, and vitamins A, C, and E. According to the National Cancer Institute, human trials are inconclusive. There are laboratory and animal studies that link certain antioxidants to reduce incidence of free radical damage due to cancer. Foods that include high antioxidants are such as nuts and seeds, berries such as blueberries and raspberries, and other thing is carrots and pumpkins. They also found that a diet rich in vegetables, fruits, and fiber lowered the risk of colorectal cancer, while a diet rich in the fiber reduces the risk of liver cancer. However, having obesity may increase a person's risk of developing cancer and can result in poor outcomes. So, we need to maintain a moderate weight. Maintaining a moderate weight may reduce this risk.
Hello, my name is Ganapathi from Kirana. My matrix number is 42030018001. Our topic is about benefits of eating healthy food. My point is better mood and energy levels. You know what to eat. If you eat healthy and balanced diet, you will feel better and more energized. Furthermore, if you eat properly, that means your body is getting all of the nutrients you need to function properly, which will improve your energy levels. Avoid sugar and drinks to prevent sugar high and crashes. Foods can boost energy by supplying calories by pushing your body to burn calories more efficiently, and in some cases by delivering caffeine. For a better mood, the best food are those that help keep your blood sugar steady and trigger feel-good brain chemicals. Thank you. Good nutrition is essential for good health, and eating nutritious food can help prevent common ailments as well as more life-threatening illness and diseases. Medical scientists now believe that a third of all cancers and more cases heart disease are related to poor diet balance. There are many advantages of healthy eating compared to eating fast food or junk food. As a consumer, we must decide which type of food we need to take. Therefore, we are recommended to refer to the food pyramid when we are setting up our meals. Make sure that food that we are taking enough nutrients contains vitamin, fiber, carbohydrate, water, and others.